Man is running through the city street, running on his tired, aching feet. A pack of dogs is chasing right behind. He's trying hard some safety now to find. Now they're in a garden by the fountain, climbing over something like a mountain. He tries to vault a little picket fence. The whole darn situation's way too tense. He scrambles up a tall and lonely post, surrounded by that happy doggy host.